then in the Middle East. We are now in a position of great anxiety. Only last week, we took steps formally to confirm the independence of the small state of Kuwait, which has been for long under British protection. I had thought that to give this formal independence was an advance which all countries, and particularly all Arab countries, would have welcomed. Unfortunately, this has not proved to be the case, and threats have been made almost within a week against the independence of Kuwait. Under our agreement with the ruler of Kuwait, substituted for our old treaty, we have continued the obligation to come to his help in time of need. I still trust that the threats against Kuwait are no more than words, and that the government of Iraq will refrain from any aggressive act. But we must take no risks. And in view of the language which has been and is being used, and the indications of a military build-up upon the frontier, which may threaten Kuwait, we have thought it right to respond to the urgent and formal request which the ruler made to us that we should give him some protectionary strength. In response to that appeal, a British force was today moved into the state of Kuwait and placed at the ruler's disposal. It is to afford him such assistance as he may consider necessary for the preservation of the independence of the state. The United Nations is being informed. Her Majesty's government earnestly hope that the necessity to make use of this force will not arise. It is intended to be withdrawn as soon as the ruler considers that the threat to the independence of Kuwait is over.